Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel from her workshop. My name is Tanya, and today what we're going to do is make this pencil box. It's an easy little project and it'll get you into working with the tools that you'll need for other bigger projects. Alright, so let's get started. Y'all know I'm always stressing safety. So we have our dust mask here, earplugs, and our safety glasses. And y'all know that I wear glasses anyway, but I like to wear these on top of them. One reason is that they're shatterproof, and they also give me an extra measure of protection because we're going to be using the miter saw and the bandsaw to do most of our cutting. All right, so when I was digging through my scrap wood, I found this 18-inch long, half-inch plywood plank, and this is what we're going to cut into 4 equal sides. And then this is oak. It's a hardwood, and what we're basically going to do is just take a chunk out of here, and then that'll be for our base. And some of the other things that you'll definitely need is a speed square, pencil, tape, wood glue. You're going to need your tape measure. All right, so I want each side of my box to be 3.5 inches. And what I'll do is I'll take my speed square and line that up, make a mark. Okay, let's head over to the miter saw. Now for this last cut, I don't have enough room to safely hold this in place. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this here, and then I'll clamp it down. You can see it's wedged in there pretty good, and then we can safely make our cut. And we'll clean this up with the sander. Okay, so now we're at the bandsaw, and what we're going to do is cut our oak piece that we will use as the bottom. Assembling this project just requires our tape, our wood glue, and our nailer. And I've kind of got these out in a pattern to where I want to. You can kind of see how it comes together. Just making sure that all of my sides have glue. There we go. a small bead of glue. Okay. So the box has been clamped up sufficiently. I went ahead and put a couple pin nails in the bottom. Several hours later. 220 grit sandpaper. What I want to do is take this over to the belt sander and kind of round over these edges here. Give it a little bit less sharp edges. So the stain we're going to use today is called Bombay Mahogany. It's a poly shade, and that means that it has stain and polyurethane all in one step. And then what we're going to use is our foam brush to give it a nice coat. We'll sand in between that, depending on how deep or dark you want your color. Depends on how many coats you use. See how the green pops out of that? Now what I do with my foam brush, because I'm going to use it again later, is you can just fold it up into your glove, and that'll keep it from drying out. And there you have it. Just rest it there. We're going to sand the box now, and I'm going to use steel wool, but you could also use 220 grit sandpaper. I like this one right here because it gives you a few choices: coarse, medium, and fine. And what I'm using right now is going to be the fine one. Remember to always wear gloves when you're using steel wool. And it doesn't take a lot. It just needs a light little sanding. It has a rough texture to it, and the sanding is going to help to smooth that out and prepare it for the second coat. Now remember how I put the little foam brush in the glove so that it wouldn't dry out? It is very soft, as you can see. Okay, it's been left overnight to dry. Now that we have our new pencil box that we made all on our own, this is what we're going to do. Now, aren't you proud of yourself? Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share, give me a comment, tell me some of the things you'd like to see me make, and maybe I'll do those.